Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math for CET Easy Guide. Start by making weekly goals and list important chapters first. Break study times into focused 45-minute blocks with 10-minute breaks. Prioritize weak topics, but review strong ones once a week to maintain skills. Keep a simple checklist and mark solved problems to see progress and stay motivated through small wins every study day. Warm up with short mental math drills for 5 to 10 minutes before tackling new problems. Alternate between solving sample problems and explaining solutions allowed to reinforce memory. When stuck, analyze mistakes immediately and redo similar questions until the method is clear. Use a mix of calculators for allowed sections and hand calculations for fundamentals to strengthen fluency. Keep a running error log to convert mistakes into focused revision topics. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help me make more content you can use. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for study desks, fits cup holders, and keeps drinks cold or hot for hours, which helps you stay focused between problems. I link it in the description along with other useful deals. Now let's get back to the video. Collect a small set of reliable resources like a concise formula sheet, one textbook, and a question bank. Use flashcards or spaced repetition apps for formulas and standard tricks you tend to forget. Teach a concept to a peer or imaginary student to test your depth of understanding. Balance silent, focused work with brief group discussions to get alternate approaches and clarifications without losing study rhythm or time management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.